The Managing Director of Alstom Transport India, and all friends. It's a great honor for me to flag off this metro train moving to Montreal. In fact, I would like to congratulate Alstom for developing this kind of capability, that they are able to cater to the requirements of metro trains not only within our country but even outside it. I felt so good that they have supplied to Sydney, they have supplied to Montreal, they have supplied to the various cities within our country, whether it is Lucknow, Chennai, Kochi, or the new RRTS, the various places you have been supplying, and you are building capacity day by day. What you did in 9 years, you surpassed that in next 2 years. And we are adding to that manifold. Not only this, I have been informed that our Indian engineers or Indian experts now developing their capacity are serving in different parts of the world. They are serving to make these, like the train will go and somebody will be there to get it run on the tracks of Montreal or run on the tracks of Sydney, but also they are being used in various other places. They are building the capacity in the nation, in the country. There is strong 8,000 persons employed company. I congratulate you, Alan, for this great work being done for the country. This has come through our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's call for Make in India. Because in India we have got the capable manpower, we have got almost all kinds of resources which could be used in this, and India per se is moving in a very rapid manner in getting urban transport of different kinds made available in different cities of our country. And it's a huge opportunity, thanks to Alstom, that they were able to see this long back in 2010, and they started establishing this factory here. Now it's becoming a big strength for us. So I congratulate all of you. The very, very important days, Navratri. I mean, you know that this is the most auspicious day. I feel so happy to be here during the Navratra. In fact, I have been planning to visit this factory for a long time. Somehow it could not come, but it had come at the right occasion. And you have heard our Honorable Prime Minister at different occasions, his focus for vocal for local and local to global. That's his call, that we not only serve, because we are a huge market, not only we serve our requirement, we invite all the strength from different parts of the world to come and build our capacity, so we are able to meet our requirement, and then we serve the world's requirement. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We serve to the rest of the family across the globe. It's a very high feeling for me. Thank you, Alan, for giving me this opportunity, and thank you, your team, who have explained. In fact, the last, I think I landed here around 9:30, and already it's close to 3 hours. I'm going to spend some more time here, learning from you what is that you are doing, how you are doing, and what else can be done for the country. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.